Hello boys, this is pretty much obvious. I'm gonna show you how this is really easy. Our approach is that is. So first let's create circles. Circles. Let's not use back shadow for simplicity. So circle 1 or C1 in short. 5 circles in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, 4 circles. 3 and 4. The next two elements is the uh, rectangle here that would set as an overlay of this outer circle or these dark circles. Why? Because these overlay rectangles would serve as a cover to this circle, these two circles. So we need two of those. Copy, so R1 and R2. And this is all the elements we need. So first, let's start with the C1. Position this on the center. So absolute margin auto inset. I hate this cursor going anywhere. Inset 0 and create a border radius or apply a border radius with a value of 50% for the roundness. So for the color, this is this light shade of white, something. Yeah, you can't see it for now, so we can make this black for now. I mean 0, 0, 0. Yeah. Check the difference, and yeah, it's like the same as the original. So let's proceed. Okay. So let's actually start with the big circle because it is like a topping on each other. It's like a stack like that. So the C1 is the biggest circle. Remove the width, remove the height. We only need the aspect ratio because it is circle. What else would you expect? And from here we can just adjust the width alone. We don't need to adjust the height. Okay. Alright. The color is this dark blue. Next would be the C2. C2. The color is this light shade. Don't worry, it is not missing. It is just this circle covers the previous circle. So we just need to decrease the size. That, and you can see it again. Right. Now let's copy the C2, paste it here, change the color to this one, and reduce the size. Just repeating the same process. And reduce the width. Oh, that's too much. Like maybe 190, 180. Yeah, this seems about right. And copy this again, paste here, rename to C4, reduce the size. First, let's wait. Adjust the color. Sorry, I have a time to catch. I can't reply at the moment. This is really fast. Don't worry. Reduce the size to 80%, 80 pixels. Okay. Now, all the circles are done. let's proceed to rectangles. We can just put it here, the rectangles. So rect R1. This is the inside rectangle. This one, rectangle or square, so be it. So aspect width to 50 pixel, height also 50 pixel, background color is this, just like the same as the background color, and the position is in the middle. We can just copy this. So right now it is positioned in the middle, this rectangle. We can just move this to the right by putting 4 values here and applying positive value on the second parameter right here. I can see the rectangle or square. Let's change the color to black right. Okay, this is not backdrop but background. Okay, now I can see it. So this is probably negative. To move this to the right, not the left. 120, like so. 140, just enough. Yeah. Reduce. Let's use aspect ratio because this is probably a square, not a rectangle. Reduce the size by 10 pixel and move this to the left slightly. 35. No, we don't need to use aspect ratio. Okay, let's keep that height. I mean height, not width. Height by 40 and the width is 50. Yeah, this seems about right. Okay, just to cover this right side of the circle. Now let's copy the R1 for the R2, and just like the R1, let's just move this to the right by 100 pixel. Yep, and increase the height by 60 pixels. That's too much. Maybe just 40 pixel. Yeah, seems right. And move this to the left slightly. Okay. The thing here is that we need to set the background. So the last thing we're gonna do is body selector, background property, the basic of them all. This color. Okay. Yep. And submit. That took almost 10 minutes of our time. Yeah. Okay.